What is up, everybody? You already know how I go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't already, man, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Hustler Taught Me, and also my personal page, which is educated__hustler. And guys, I am excited today. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm excited. And the reason I'm excited is because I have a product that I've been actually testing for about 2 months, but I haven't really said much about it because when it comes to products, right, the difference between me and drop shipping is, or why I don't drop ship, right, is because I understand products have a shelf life. So short story time, because somebody may be able to use it. I used to sell chargers from a factory that I had to connect with from another guy that was just a customer. And this guy was from Hong Kong, and he provided me with this charger plug. And I'm like, bet, like, they had great prices. I ordered, I think, a pallet of maybe 2,500. I don't remember, but it was okay pallet. And I put the chargers in my store. The chargers came, we put them in the store, started selling them. They were selling because they were nicely priced. This is when the chargers were just the cubes and you had the USB to lightning. The chargers were selling. And when the chargers were selling, we ain't had no issues, right? Until 3 months later, people, or even 2 weeks later, people were coming back. It stopped working, the box is overheating, and I realized, like, at that moment it worked, but longevity wise, it started to die down. And this is what a lot of people are seeing with the AirPod replicas is you get the AirPod replicas. I had a guy on the Discord, he ordered 30 pairs of AirPod replicas, and when he received them, he realized they were crappy and he was stuck with them. So he started listening on MERCARI, ends up going into the Discord like, oh, guys, what should I do? I don't want my MERCARI to be banned, and I also want to get my money, but now they're holding my money. And because you're not doing the process the right way, okay? You want to either buy a high quality product, or if you don't know the quality, test it for a while. So guys, I am here right here with the AirPod Maxes, okay? Now, these are not replicas at all. Now, the reason these are not replicas is because what I started to figure out when I was selling replicas, which I was selling replicas for about maybe 2 years as far as Maxes, and they weren't doing me any justice because I would sell them, but it would have to be at a high price point, and they weren't selling fast. But I did some snooping around, and I wanted to figure out how can I get headphones that look just like them and operate very similar. And I came up with these. Now, we're going to do a full unboxing of these, and I'm going to give you guys my honest review. These are on cwplug.com. These right now are going for as low as $30, okay? Now, I sell these in my store, so that was another thing. I wanted to find something I could sell in my store, something I could sell at flea markets, pop-up shops, on MERCARI, on eBay, on Amazon, somewhere I can sell this, right? Because of the price point and also how really close and similar it looks to Apple's AirPod Maxes. Now, it does look very close, like everything's perfect. But one thing I'm not going to do is tell you guys this is a 101 when it's not a 101. This is not a 101 because it doesn't have the Apple logo. All right, so if we look at the packaging first before we unbox anything, you can tell no logo, right? The back just looks like this, okay? Front looks like this, clean cut. I wanted to find packaging that didn't have the Apple logo, didn't have no Apple anything, because that is going to get it taken down, obviously. But it's about time we start getting into products that are going to be able to stay up, and we're going to be able to make a profit. So everybody, all of my AirPod sellers, listen, I'm not telling you ditch the AirPods forever. I'm not telling you that. But what I'm telling you is make sure you're putting your money into something that will get you money on a consistent basis. And this right here, I am so happy to tell you guys and show you guys, not in this video, but in another video, my results. Because the 2 months I've been using it, I've been selling on MERCARI. That's what I've been using to actually test the new MERCARI policy. I've been using this product, and getting 100% of my money has been lovely. Okay, it's been lovely. But more than that, not having returns and also being able to use these in the gym when I work out, I ain't gonna lie, I'm enjoying these. So we're gonna go inside the box, and I'm not gonna lie, inside the box isn't nothing spectacular as far as presentation wise. That is one of the biggest downfalls that I feel like I had with products that I was looking at, is I didn't see nothing but like a nice little pamphlet that looks like apples but isn't apples. It was always clear cut, which is fine. Clear cut makes it easy, okay? You guys, I'm telling you right now, getting these for $30 is awesome. But nevertheless, let's go and unbox these right now. All right, so as I open this box, I gotta use one hand. It's really early in the morning, but I have to get to my store, and I want to do this for you guys too. So I'm trying to just bear with me. Open them up. This is what they're looking like. So number one is bubble wrap, right? I at first didn't like the bubble wrap. I felt like the bubble wrap made me feel like this is a cheap product at first. But the bubble wrap, I realized, is so that when a box, or if the box does drop, or if somebody drops it, or the package gets thrown on somebody's step, it's not damaged. Comes with this right here. Now it also comes with these things. So this right here is going to be a 3.5 jack. So this is an aux, I believe. And then this is the charger. Okay. Now it does take Type-C charging, which is good. Okay, I do like that it takes Type-C charging. Now when I bring these back into the picture, right? I love this. This is pleather. Okay, this is pleather. This isn't leather. I don't think it's leather, but it feels like it, and I like it. These little buttons snap out. These are great material, I can tell. I don't know what this case is used for, to be honest. I guess just to store the AirPods, but I won't be using it. And then here are the AirPods. All right, so again, here's the power button, so you can turn it on. Then you have this little knob, which is like the volume button. I like this feeling. It's smooth. It's smooth. I feel like one of the things I don't like about the real AirPod Maxes is this part. Like, I just don't like how hard it is. But then again, like, I wish it was like a design on it, but whatever. I'm actually grateful it's not, because you can actually wrap replicas like this and be able to be able to just use it like that. Now, when I turned these on, okay, I wasn't expecting the sound. Now, I know I can't tell you guys exactly how it sounds, because obviously you're like not going to be able to hear the music, but just listen to how this powers up.
Power on.
That's the lowest. That's the lowest volume. These are very loud. Now, you know I wouldn't say no crap, right? You know I wouldn't even preach any bull crap. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is a smooth mesh. This right here, like, this is all quality. That is the biggest, I think, benefit in my eyes with these AirPod Max replicas. I do like them. And then when we're talking about this is a plastic. I wish that it was like a rubber, like a TPU, because of course, like, I just feel like the rubber is a bit hard. But like, if it was, let's say, plastic up top, but it had like a little rubber padding right here, I would like that more. But other than that, guys, this is really nice. I love these headphones. These headphones are really good. I've been using them for 2 months, been in and out of the gym with them, and I really think that they are awesome. And I can't wait for you guys to try them out. These are available at cwplug.com. These are AirPod Maxes, okay? And I believe on the website I'll have them as probably Air Maxes, something like that. You can find them in the audio section, CW Plug. I sell them wholesale, and for limited time only, I allow you to buy 1 pair. Okay, if you guys want to test it, You can go there right now. The link is going to be below, and you can come and test them. All right, you can order a test pair if you would like. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.